In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a tattoo workstation. It's so easy, you can do it at home. Lots of people have different ways of doing this. This is the way that I think is the best, especially for beginners. Very important, guys, to wear gloves. You're going to need your squeeze bottle. Fill this with water, and I've wrapped it with a little bit of cling film. Cover the surface with water. Be careful on some vinyl wood with this method, guys, and you'll notice that the cling film will stick like magic to the surface. So get the surface nice and flat how you want it, no air bubbles or anything too crazy going on. And as I say, all the items are in the description as well. Next thing you're going to need are wooden depressors, so wooden sticks. These are for sticking down your ink cups. So what we're going to do is get a bit of Vaseline on the end. We're going to place that down, stick that down to the surface, and we are then going to use the Vaseline also to stick down our ink cups. Also leave a generous bit of Vaseline on the end there so you can use that for your actual tattoo. At the end of this video, I will also be showing you what I think is the best method to set up your inks. We're also going to use a cup of water. This is for rinsing. Make sure you're rinsing your needles, guys, whenever you change them or stop using or taking a break. You're going to need a disposable razor. That is for shaving your clients. Antibacterial soap. That is for cleaning the skin. Got the squeeze bottle again. You can also put a bit of soap in there as well if you like. Got the tattoo machine. This is a wireless tattoo machine from Jay Conley. He sent me this one for free, so thanks Jay Conley for that. Got your stencil applicator, assuming you are going to be using a stencil. Got the tattoo inks as well. You're going to need paper towels. This is kitchen towel, kitchen roll. And you don't want one that's too absorbent, you don't want one that's not absorbent enough, so you kind of want a mid-range one. Sharps bin, that's going to be important, of course, safety first. You're going to need a power supply, that is if you're not using a wireless machine. If you know me, you know I don't really like wireless machines. I think they're too heavy and bulky, but there you go. So guys, don't forget the needles. We need the needles to do the tattoo, so that is quite key. Guys, you can get 10% off Dragonhawk using code Axel. Link is in the description. Now do use a layout that works for you guys, because as you can tell, I haven't really laid this out very good, but depends what your client is, depends what you're doing. So I'm just going to show you what I like to use for my black and grey tattoos. So that is 100% black. I like to have 50% black, 50% water, quarter black to water, and then I just have pure water. And that is for, if you're doing a small tattoo, you can use it to rinse, or what you can also do is mix the tone inside the cartridge. So there's a pro tip for you there. Leave a like if you can. Guys, we're just going to have a look at some other methods of doing this. You can see that people like to have about 10 different tones in some cases. I think that is overkill myself, but there you go. You work how you want to work. No right or wrong with this. If your tattoo's coming out good, then go with what you're comfortable with. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.